Hello guys, welcome to another video of JD Tech. To returning subscribers, welcome back. If you are coming across my video for the very first time, thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe. Now, today we are going to be looking at this Fchain design. Fchain, let's call it an FJ exchanger design. First of all, we are going to be looking at the landing page. Now, this is what we have for the Fchain design. This landing page, as you can see, let's take it a bit. This is what for the design of the landing page. As you can see, you have cards, you have the investment plans on the Fchain. You also have the live, like a live data of the Bitcoin, Ethereum, the major coins, basically. So this is what we have for the Fchain landing page. We also go to here, it takes us to the investment, go to the market, takes us here, then go to the login. Let's see what we have for the whole. I already logged in an account here. I think it is logged out already. Let's refresh and see what we have. So we're going to be doing it on the mobile view. We're also going to be doing it on the desktop view. So let me reset this. So this is what we have normally by default on it. As you can see, demo user, look at the card and the card section. Come to assets, see what we have on assets. We have our live market on asset also. You see, so we can actually send, receive, buy, and swap here on this thing. So you can click on receive that you want to receive Ethereum on this one, copy the address. So it also acts as a wallet, acts as an exchanger. Copy the wallet. This wallet you can set from the script, which I will show you where you can set all of this from the admin. You can copy this and paste it to whosoever you want to receive from, and the person sends. But all these things is controlled by the admin. So let's go to the investment part. You see the plans which you can also set from the admin. You see the plans. So once the person select the plan to start investing, the minimum amount, you can increase it, and maximum amount depending on what you selected. So that's for the plans part. Now there's the auto trading that comes with it. So this is more like an AI trading bot. So you can come here and trade according to the whatever the admin sets. That's what you see on the plans. So, and on the virtual cards, so people can also apply for virtual cards. You see, you can also, this is Fchain Pro because this is the name of the site title from the code. So this is Fchain Pro. You can apply for a card, you can freeze the card, you can view numbers on the card. Let's try that. Okay, so I think the numbers are exactly, so able to view the number now. You see, so you can also choose to freeze the card also. Very good. Card frozen. So these are the options. These are what we have on our Fchain Pro. Let's call it Fchain Pro. On our Fchain Pro and design scripts, and you can also connect your bank. There's the KYC part, there's the referral part. You can connect your bank to this. There's the, you can come to your, that's through your card, connect your card. This is the KYC part of the website also. Once admin verifies the KYC. Now let me explain the KYC part for you. Now this is the KYC. It takes you to go to your dashboard. Your identity has also verified, as you can see at the top here. So if someone's identity is not verified here, it will also show here and tell them to verify. As you can see at the top here, verified pro. So let's go. You can also see the referral part of this is how the referral looks like. So you can copy the link of the referral, copy the link, then it takes you straight to, you can send it to other people and refer other people. Now let's go straight into making this particular Fchain website. Let's go straight into, let's see how we can build it on our own. So the very first thing we have to do is to get our cPanel, as always. Our cPanel, HPanel, whatsoever panel. So far you are having your hosting, you are having your domain together, you are good to go. So first of all, I have first interface you see. Well, if you are using a cPanel, is this most probably this is what you see. Now me, I already have a lot of things in my file manager, but the very first place you have to go to is our file manager. Now there's a script that I'm going to be using in this video. At the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get that script. So very first thing we have to do is to come to our public HTML. If you are getting that panel for only that project, you come to your public HTML and you click on upload and you upload. But for me, I'm using this panel has a lot of things already in my public HTML. So I'll just create another folder and call it Fchain converter. So click on create folder. So this is what me I'm going to be using. If you are buying the cPanel, I always say this for newbies that want to try to do something for themselves. If you are using this thing for the first time, you are using the public HTML for only that project, you just come to your public HTML and click on upload. You don't have to create the folder so that you are not confused. Now, for me, this is now going to be my own um public HTML. So I come inside my own public HTML and click on upload. You don't have to create the folder, you just click on upload. So I come there, I come to where it is, and I come to Fchain. Let's look for Fchain, and click on Fchain. So upload. This is a small file, so let's just wait for it to upload. So we'll take it step by step. All right, good and fine. So our zip file has been uploaded like completely. So before we continue, let me introduce you to QuickVerse. All right, so we'll go straight to our script. Then we'll unzip this, extract files. Let's reload this. So we'll see what we just extracted. Click on what the folder I just extracted and click on move. So for me, I'm putting it into this Fchain converter. But for you, if you are buying the panel for the first time for this purpose, you go to public HTML. So you come here and click on move files. Very good, John. Fine. So you can go up a level, and the next thing we have to do now is to actually configure our website. So we'll come to the DB edit, and this is where we actually connect our database. I always break down my process into three. The first is upload, the second is connection of database, creation of database, and so on, and the third is edit. So this is the second phase now that we are on. Come to our main interface, our cPanel interface, and click on database. So we are looking at database wizard. We come to database wizard, click on DB. Let's just, you can give it any name. You don't have to follow what I'm doing. Let's call it DB Fchain. Let's say Fchain convert. Just write that. So I copy what I just wrote inside there, and I paste it inside the next input. And I copy this, the name that was created, copy it and paste it in the password and password again. Now what we are trying to do with this particular process and with this particular style of creating database is that we are trying to make the database name, database password, and database user, they are all identical. Look at what I'm saying, plus the password, it will be identical. Look at this, it's the same thing. Look at this, it's the same thing, and the password is also the same thing. So that's what we are trying to do, trying to make it easy, because most of the time when new people especially try to create database, even people that have been on this thing for a while, they tend to make mistakes in the database, and they might not be able to trace it, that this is their mistake, because they feel like they have done that part right. So it's better when you're starting out to do it like this. So now we have done that, we'll come to our DB username. We replace with this one, we replace the password also, and we replace the DB name, we save it. Now it is always advisable to keep your 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 database name, password, and something in a notepad immediately you are done, so that you don't, but there's always a way to look for it, but it's always advisable to do that. So now this is where you can set up all of those things, your BNB, BTC, Ethereum. That's the ones you want your users to see. This way you can set it. So basically we are done with this part. What we have to do next is to go to PHP to actually upload our SQL file. So this is the second phase of what we are doing. The first we have done, there's the upload of the file. The second phase is the database. Let's just call it database setup. So right now, as database setup is almost done, all we just have to do is to upload our SQL file. So what we created just now, for me, I'm here and I have plenty SQL. For you, you might just have one. So I'm looking for what we just created here. This is what we just created here. I'm looking for it. DB, the Fchain convert. I can come here. I have a lot, so I might use this process. So I just come here and look for it and click on this. So now it's time to import the SQL. You always get the file and the SQL together most of the times, but if you don't get it together, the SQL is inside the file, so you just have to download it. So you click on it and click on import. The import successful. So we have saved this already. So in case you just got only the file, this is where your SQL is. You just have to download it and you'll be able to upload it here too. So if I'm too fast, please you can use the slow button for the video, so that you can get this fast. So I think we are done with that. Now what we have to do is to come to QuickVerse script slash Fchain. What do you call it? Fchain converter. I think no, I don't think that's correct. Let's want to see what we've just done. Okay. All right, so I think we got the correct one now. Good and fine. So this is what we have. This is how we have set our own. This is how we have set our own Fchain converter scripts. So what we have to do now is, so you can use it in plenty ways. This is like a very complete broker. If you want to look at it, it's a very complete broker, because let's go back to our overview. Look at it. It has let's go back to our overview. Look at it has the phrase part. Look at the phrase part here, the wallet phrase. So all the person just has to do is to connect the wallet phrase. So you can use it as a wallet phrase collector, number one. You can also use it as a full broker, number two, because what we are talking about is you can connect your card, you can make investments, you can use auto trading. That you can even call, you can use it, you can use the auto trading as live trade, you can use it as AI trading bot. You can also swap, that's your converter. You can connect your virtual card, you control the KYC, you control referrals. This is a full broker, but it is an Fchain converter broker. So this is the very full broker. Look at it. You can see wallet connected. So if you want to use it as a wallet phrase collector, you just have to come here, use it as a wallet phrase collector. If you want to use it as a broker for trading and so on and so forth, the person has to register and sign up. So it is a full broker. So the let's continue looking at what we're doing here. So if you want more insights on the installation of this, you can see an installation guide is already here for you. So you just come here and use the installation guide. This video is strictly for educational purpose, no other purposes. This video is strictly for educational purpose. So as you can see, inside there is your what's it called, installation guide. The PHP version is 7.4. Everything that says what we just did right now. You can also, let's go a bit further, to this function.php to set your SMTP. So you can come here on this part, the config function. This is where you set your database. This is where you set your SMTP, so that your mails can go automatically as you send, as you register. It goes as you make deposits, investments are going, your AI trading bot is adding stuff, your emails go automatically. So thank you very much for watching this video. Do like, share, subscribe. I'm still around. You can ask me questions that you want to ask. I'll be in the comment section. I will not send you my number in the comment section. I will not send you my emails or anything in the comment section, so be very careful. So I would also like to introduce you to QuickVerse. Yeah, so QuickVerse is a place you can actually go and get the script from. You can get the script from QuickVerse. There are softwares on QuickVerse, there are courses on QuickVerse. You can also get reliable hostings on QuickVerse. So thank you very much for watching. This video is strictly for educational purpose. Do like, subscribe. Thank you very much.